It's two-tone in here. Look at here. You know they be jocking me right when I hit the club. You know. When I'm at the mall. You know. Eastside Marine Gang, DBF, new school. What's happening? You know. What it do?
Hold up, shot, hold up, shot, middle of the stage, got the whole club rocking. Middle of the stage, got the whole club rocking. Middle of the stage, got the whole club rocking. Beat steady, knocking. Hold up, shot, beat steady, knocking. Hold up, shot, middle of the stage, got the whole club rocking. Middle of the stage, got the whole club rocking.
Club, balls on my job. They start dripping wet when the lights hit my watch. I done found my swag, I ain't gotta look. See, I'm a hood bigger like Zoe on the hood. Catch me on stage, got them going wild. I walk like money, so I got style. Let them haters hate and watch the money pile. Then top it out my outfit and make them say, wow. Steady knock, you can hear me from a block. Cut the roof out, now I'm riding in the drop. I hustle like Jigga and hustle like Diddy. Last year alone, what I made in my city, I made 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 to 100. I made 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 to 100.
Shot, hold up, shot, middle of the stage, got the whole club rocking.
What's going on some whips? It's your boy Flash Upset. This is Lady of the 2008 Detroit Dub tour auto show that kicks it off right here in the Motor City. Now, let me tell you a little bit about what you see right here. I got 05 300C. I've had the taillights colored, color matched in it. So if you look in real close, you see the metallic white. I got the JBL 12 with the JBL JL 500 watt amp in the front up there. I've got a UAS airbag kit on it. That's how I dropped it down. I got 22-inch Bose designer wheels. Inside I got headrest monitors. 2 7-inch Clarion headrest monitors. I've also got a PlayStation 2 installed down here in the front. PlayStation 2 is down there at the bottom. Stock navigation, which has a mod. And they got some. I got 3 screens in the car. Got 5% all the way around. The windshield. I got the halo headlights in the front. Got some airbrush. Something else that I did know is this car takes a little bit of like, because I know it's fun to stand in the seat. When you got it covered in black, it's actually usually like it's a black chrome dash kit. So put that on just to spice it up and try to. I didn't want to go real flashy with a lot of color, so we kind of mixed with the black on black theme out here. I got the custom airbrushing. I got the custom airbrushing under here. Black base with the blue and white true flame design. I got this is air hammer cold air intake. This one and the AP Stage 2 are the only two that actually cruise for horsepower gains. About 14 horsepower to the rear tires. So how many are you backing out like right off the lake? How much horsepower are you backing out there?
At the rear stock about 275. Right now with this and with the Predator tuner, I'm probably running maybe right around 3 at the most. Not a whole lot
smash grill. I'm trying to stay with the black theme. I'm about to get rid of this chrome here. I'm actually going to throw on the front, the chrome plates and the rims, and then the exhaust tips, and that's it. Everything else will be black.
Let's talk about the rims. Now, I saw these say 22s, like you said. Now, is this something that you was like buying at the local tire shop? Or is this something like this?
Let's find a local tire shop, but there are no other 300s running these right now. I was the first one to put them on. I love having them. The car is actually, there's a picture of the car on the MOZ website with these rims on. So
I'm talking about here the 2008 Dub Auto Show here in Detroit, Michigan, the home of the automotive car. It's not just about cars, it's also about being the first one. David White was the first 300 season and car should actually have the black 22s, MOZs on his wheels, on his whip, with the actual pro lips in up on it. Over man Kevin, he's over at the Toyo section. We're gonna see what's new. Kevin, take it away.
What up? Awesome lips. This man is the king here. Got my what's that? Red man. Right there. You know what I'm saying? Got this nice truck. It's been modified. Ridiculous. Tell me about it. Alright, first of all, we chopped the top on 97 Tahoe. Convertible it. Put in all wood grain floors. Got the bike in the back is also doing a wheelie, a reverse wheelie. Fiberglass, the pies on the sides, all billet steel and trimming. Battery dead, but this lifts up automatic. It's a TV screen on there. This my girl Holly. She does all the modeling for all of us. Come on around this way. We got first place. That's it. Got 24s on it. Got a duck shield, dual exhaust. Got diamond crusted buildings. You peek in there, got TVs on the floors. See the bike float. Rolls out. Got a 10-inch TV in the dash. Wood grain. 7-inch in the bottom. It's just regular stock. Oh, it's regular stock. Right here, two-tone candy. Check out this front end. Front end, all of his chains on the floor, all fog lights. And we got the police flashes on the truck. So,